Alright, so I'm currently in New Zealand and that is exactly the place where there's a cyclone hitting. So I'm gonna keep the intro very fast and short so we can just get to the video and you don't have any noise of the wind. It was actually pretty cool because yesterday, just before the cyclone hit, I went on a beach and photographed the waves and that was pretty cool to see. But yeah, let's jump into the video. In today's video, I'm going to bring you along on a photo shoot I did back in Melbourne in the Botanical Gardens. This is the perfect place I feel like to photograph and model because there are so many beautiful plants and so many awesome spots to photograph. So what I'm going to be shooting with is the 85mm f2.0 from Canon. And not only that, I also have a Polar Pro Mist filter on my lens, and that is because it creates a bit more of a mystical, misty vibe to the photos, and that's exactly the style I want to go for on this shoot. And as you can see, there's a crack in my Pro Mist filter, but I feel like sometimes that actually creates an awesome effect. Yeah, I didn't do it on purpose, but I actually don't mind it. And the camera that I'm gonna photograph with is my Canon R6. That's actually the one I'm filming with right now, so I can't really show you that. Yeah, that's all you need to know, I guess. Let's start shooting. Oh, I almost fell. Let's just walk a bit back. Oh, this is very nice.
This one?
Maybe like this, hands over each other, like a bit more leaning on your head. Yes, exactly. Beautiful. And then looking away a bit. Yes, 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 that was nice. A bit more up with your, yes, hold this one. Oh, this is beautiful. So nice. I think it would be cool, I just want to see if it works, if you sit on the ground,
Yeah.
and then with the nice greenery in the background. Whoa, that's very pretty. Alright, it's nice, I think, if you sort of lean on your knee to create a bit more of an angle. So like, like this with your hands. Oh, yeah, 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 this is perfect. Very pretty. Hold this one. Maybe a little bit of knee in the photo, just like one knee, just take your, yeah, exactly. Let's move to this tree with the roses. I think we could make something really nice there. Yeah, you can like use the flower as well if you want to. Just like a bit more closer to your face and stuff. Oh yeah, beautiful. Maybe the rose a bit closer to your face, is that possible? Yeah, 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 exactly. It's not bar hopping, this is plant hopping. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. I really like this. Oh, that's a mouse. I saw one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Okay. Did you see him? Fuck off! Oh, did you see it? Okay, yep.
How come there are so many here?
I think they... another one. Beautiful. We can try one with like hands up a little bit.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. And then both sides of hair to the front.
To the front?
Yeah. Oh my god. So pretty. Very pretty. Yes. Beautiful. Yeah, so pretty. We have a bit of golden light, you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
It's reflecting off the building. We have we have a free reflector. Like you have a, yeah, you have a golden tint on your face.
Wow.
Yeah, maybe hands over each other again, like.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Just gonna get a little bit further away, so a tiny bit of your legs will be in the photo as well. Yeah, and the other hand, the left hand, you can just lean over your knee. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Nice. Beautiful. I love these. Perfect. And then looking up there. Yes. So pretty. Perfect. Maybe we can rotate the leaf a little bit.
Yeah.
Just gonna get a bit further away. Alright, and that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was definitely a fun little quick photo shoot. I think we photographed for about an hour and I feel like we managed to create a lot of different vibes to each set of photos. So I'm pretty happy about that. And when it came down to the editing, I went for the dark greens and a bit more of a warmer tone to all the photos. Yeah, that's about it. Let me know what you think of the photos. I definitely enjoyed sharing this photo shoot with you. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video and I also hope to see you in the next one. Okay, bye. Doei doei.